These are notes over sequences of transformations. And the cool thing about these notes is that you can interact with them. I'm going to start by zooming in a little bit. There we go, that's better. So here I have some statements and I have a word bank here as well. And I can drag these words to where they belong. So you can see you can just drag the words to the correct blank, and that's how you can fill in that top box right there. Also, there are some transformations for you to play around with here. So for example, it asks, how can you map triangle bug onto triangle ant? Well, you can just move this blue triangle around to wherever you want it to go so that it'll map right onto triangle ant. Okay, so there's an option there. Let me move it back. And then you can write down what transformations you used. Now, if you want to rotate or reflect your blue triangle, just right click it and go to rotate, and you'll have the option to rotate it, and you'll have the option to reflect it. Those are built in right there. These are just notes for you. This gives you some information about reflections, rotations, and translations. And then on this next one, we have some opportunities to practice doing transformations and recognizing how different rules represent representations. Represent transformations. And here again, you can drag your little blue triangles around to wherever you want them to go to do those transformations. You can also type in the little text boxes here to show the coordinates of your image after performing the transformation. So there's 4 of those. On the next slide, you have the same ability. You can move your triangles around, and you can type in the text boxes. And it's the same case for this last slide here. Once again, you can move this blue triangle and you can type in the text box to figure out what's going on. So I hope you have fun with this activity. Hope it gives you a way to explore sequences of transformations. And these are also excellent notes for you on transformations just to hang on to for the future.